StarTech.com offers several monitor riser stands to offer ergonomic solutions of easing neck strain by raising your monitor to a comfortable viewing height, as well as freeing up desk space and reducing clutter. Our MON-STND model features a durable steel and aluminum construction for added strength and stability, supports monitor weight capacities of 22 pounds, and monitor sizes up to 32 inches with its 16 by 10.5 inch steel surface area. With very little assembly required, it has a Toolless 3-height adjustable platform setting for customized viewing, freeing up clutter and creating a storage space underneath to store your docking station, laptop, phone, or mouse. Our monitor riser can also be used for laptops or printers. The integrated cable management slots help keep cables organized and out of view, and the non-skid rubber feet protect your work surface from scratches. StarTech.com offers several other models of monitor risers, including risers with storage drawers or a model with an integrated fast-charge Qi-certified wireless charger. With over 35 years as the IT professional's choice, StarTech.com's monitor risers and stands have a risk-free performance warranty and free lifetime technical support.